Imagine this: thin golden crepes, slightly crispy around the edges, soft and juicy in the center. When you cut into them, creamy Nutella slowly melts out, while walnuts add the perfect crunchy contrast. Welcome to my channel. Today I'm showing you vegan baked crepes with vegan Nutella and walnuts. Simple to make, full of flavor and absolutely divine. To make the crepes, start by adding whole grain spelt flour to a bowl, a pinch of salt and pour in the water. To help the batter bind, mix in ground flaxseed combined with a little water. It works as the perfect egg substitute here. Stir everything together until you get a smooth, pourable batter, ideal for thin crepes. Cook the crepes the classic way, in a hot pan. I cook mine without oil, but you can use a little oil if you prefer. They cook quickly, turn a beautiful golden color and develop a subtle nutty flavor thanks to the spelt flour. Once the crepes are done, it's time for the best part. Spread each one with rich vegan Nutella, sprinkle with ground walnuts mixed with vanilla, and optionally a splash of rum, which really enhances the chocolate flavor. Then roll them and place them into a greased baking dish. For the topping, whip sweet plant-based cream in a bowl. Add aquafaba for a lightly airy texture and a little vanilla for extra aroma. Pour this mixture evenly over the crepes so everything comes together beautiful. Place the crepes in the oven to 180 degrees Celsius for about 25 to 30 minutes until the top is lightly golden and the inside stays soft and creamy. In the end, you get a dessert that's incredibly easy to make, completely vegan and so delicious it will impress anyone. If you've never tried vegan baked crepes before, now is the perfect time. Let me know in the comments what your favorite vegan dessert is, and don't forget to check out the next recipe on my channel. Even more tasty ideas are waiting for you. See you next time.